Hello, fellow translators, and welcome once again to my video. I'm back in the States. I was in Taiwan for a while. This is actually the first video that I'm recording back in the States, and Taiwan, unfortunately, was kind of annoying. Couldn't go out much because of the whole Wuhan virus thing, which I mean, it wasn't that bad in Taiwan, but everyone was kind of, on edge about it. And so, so a lot of people didn't want to go out in public or to restaurants and stuff like that. So I didn't get much done. I don't know why I'm complaining to you guys about it. It's got nothing to do with any of this. What I wanted to say, though, was I released my book. It came out 2 days ago, I think. And anyway, it's doing well. I don't know how it's doing exactly yet because you have to wait for a week to, for stuff to come out. But I know it's been making sales. And yeah, and I've gotten a little bit of feedback so far, well, and it's all been good, so I'm happy about that. Anyway, I'm just happy that it's out there and everything because it's been kind of a pain building up to this. I really wanted it to be a good product, both the ebook and the normal book, and so it's been a lot building up to this. So, and along those lines, so I finally figured out, because what I really wanted to do was find a way to gift these, and unfortunately you can't gift them because Amazon charges me for every copy even that I get of these books. I can order approved for stuff like that, but I get charged for that. And I did, so I have proofs of the physical one, which, maybe I'll see if I can give them out, but it means I have to physically go to the post office and ship it out. But we'll see. For the Kindle one, I figured out how to gift it, which is basically how you gift anything on Kindle. I have to, I get charged for it and then I ship it out. Now, as being the author, I get a percentage of what I pay Amazon for it, but I'm still doing it like that. But I thought it would be interesting. So what I might do is for the next week or so is people, if you're thinking of hiring, because I offer the other services where I review your online profile or your resume or stuff like that, your website. Or I just offer one-on-one consulting. And if you're thinking of doing any one of those, then feel free in the description below. You can there's a form to fill out. You can do that. And for anyone who does that within the next week, let's say the next week, I'll send you a copy of my ebook if you want. You don't have to have it because it does cost me money to send it to you. But I thought it would be interesting to do that. In fact, if you prefer to have a copy of my course, then I can get you a coupon for that because that doesn't cost me anything. They just have a limited number of coupons, so I might have to wait a bit because I can only use X number of coupons per month or whatever it is. And I don't know how many I've used so far. But yeah, I figured I'd do that for the next week. So whenever this video is released, because I tend to release videos on Tuesday or Thursday, so I'm not sure when I'm going to be releasing this exactly. But for the next week, if you are interested in any of those services, feel free to fill out the form below, and I'll send you either a free copy of the ebook or free access to the course, because why not? I want to celebrate that it's finally done and out there, and yeah, that's it. I should probably, what I'll do is I'll recap maybe in a few months when I get like more feedback about the book or something. I can talk about it a bit more. But because so far the feedback I got was that it's great, it's awesome, it's wonderful, and all that, which I'm happy about. But that tends to be the way it normally goes, and after a while people start saying, oh, but what about this? Why didn't you do that? Or da 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 da. And so, I can address a bit more of those later on. But yeah, anyway, I'm just happy it's out there. So I wanted to do this where I kind of can send you a free copy of the book, if you're interested in any of my other services, and I can tie it in there. And that's it for now. This is just a short video, and where I want to say that, and I want to thank all of you who have bought a copy of the book. Thank you so much. Because especially in this first week, it really helps just to kind of get it out there and kind of get it featured, because Amazon keeps track of that. Like if you sell X number of copies in the first week, it's a lot better than if you sell the same number of copies but like 5 months down the line, right? And it helps in the sense that Amazon features it more, and which is exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get it out there and have it featured more so more people see it, because I do think it's very helpful and it's out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a thank you to all of you who've gotten a copy. And once again, if you do leave a review, if you leave a review, I offer free access to any one of my courses, which I've talked about before. And I have 11 courses out there. on Udemy and other places as well. And I offer access to pick one out of any one of those courses you want if you leave a review on the book, because reviews help as well. And that's pretty much it. I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.